Hey guys, in this video we will look at the best shower squeegee in the market. So, if you are looking to buy one, then this video is for you. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 1. Pasco Accessories Shower Squeegee. The first most popular one is Pasco Accessories Shower Squeegee. This squeegee has a replaceable edge which is very unique to only soft blade squeegees. Its length, stainless steel material, everything gives off an extravagant feel while using it. So, you'll get an exclusive experience using this one. This chrome and stainless steel squeegee is the perfect fit for a stylish bathroom with a modern flair. The included hanger uses a suction cup to stick to the wall, and the squeegee itself hangs from two chrome and stainless steel hooks. The 12-inch blade of the squeegee is a rubber edge, reinforced by the metal handle, and the rubber part of the blade is replaceable for a longer-lasting clean. At number 2. OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Squeegee. My best recommendation for you would be OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Squeegee. You'll be attracted to its contoured grip and padded handle. This unique feature makes it easier for you to use and hang things on. According to nearly every shower squeegee review, OXO is a pretty high-quality brand that definitely lives up to its reputation with each new product. This squeegee is slim and flexible, and the flat profile means that it can be stored in showers that are tight on space. The rubber blade helps wick away the most water, while the reinforced metal handle means that your squeegee will be able to handle the bumps and scrapes of everyday life. The hanger is a simple suction cup model, and the squeegee can easily rest on the provided holder. At number 3. Squeegee for shower. For when you don't need anything fancy, just a solid, dependable squeegee that will get your shower clean without taking up too much space, this squeegee is a good, steady choice. The foam handle makes it easy to use, and the silicone blade comes with 2 replacements so that you don't have to worry about the blade wearing down over time. This best silicone squeegee blade also makes streaking less likely than it would be with a rubber or metal blade, since the softer material absorbs more water. Unlike some other entries on this list, this squeegee doesn't come with a hanger, but the replaceable blades and compact design make it plenty practical enough for just about every shower. At number 4, Simple Human Fold-Away Squeegee. If you want a compact squeegee that doesn't sacrifice stylish looks for practical substance, then this squeegee is a great fit. The blade and the handle fold back on each other to create a slim, streamlined silhouette that can easily be stored with other bathroom supplies. When unfolded, the weighted handle and angled blade work together to create a streak-free clean that will leave your shower walls just as spotless as the rest of your house. The handle is made of die-cast zinc for a rust-resistant metal that still provides a heavy balance to the squeegee, and the blade is rubber and replaceable. At number 5, OXO Good Grips All-Purpose Squeegee. Another great offering from the OXO Household Goods Company, this squeegee is another simple, dependable product that gets the job done without any extra frills. The squeegee is billed as being a good grip selection, and the ergonomic handle and rubber grip definitely deliver on that promise. The blade is made of flexible silicone, and the rubber and plastic handle resists water damage and rust while still being comfortable to hold and easy to use. The squeegee comes with a suction cup hanging holder that affixes to most smooth surfaces for easy storage and cleanup. We hope you loved the video, and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.